Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super important that everyone needs to hear. We're talking about the biggest, most life-changing lessons people learn way too late in life. Like, imagine realizing you wasted years because you didn't know this one thing. We're about to unlock those secrets right now, so get ready. First up, we gotta talk about your health. You only get one body, right? It's like the ultimate prize and you gotta treat it that way. So many people spend years chasing money, success, whatever, then bam, they hit their 40s or 50s and suddenly their body's saying, nope, we're done playing that game. Don't let that be you. Eating right, exercising, taking care of your mental health, that's the real cheat code to life. Trust me, your future self will thank you for it. Next up is time. Time is the most precious resource we have. It's the one thing you can't make more of, no matter how rich or famous you get. Even the wealthiest individuals can't buy more time. Think of it like this. You've got this invisible bank account and every day, you get 86,400 seconds deposited. Each second is a gift, a chance to do something meaningful. You can't save them up, you can't get a loan. Once they're gone, they're gone. Time is always moving forward, never backward. So, what are you spending your seconds on? Are you making the most of every moment? Are you chasing your dreams, spending time with loved ones, doing things that light you up? These are the moments that truly matter. Or are you scrolling through your phone, watching other people live their best lives? It's easy to get lost in the digital world. You get to choose, but choose wisely. Every second counts, and how you spend them shapes your life. Make each one count. Chapter 3. Real relationships worth more than any prize. Let's talk about relationships, the real ones, not just the followers on social media. In today's digital age, it's easy to get caught up in the number of likes and followers, but those numbers don't equate to genuine connections. Having people you can count on, those who stand by you through thick and thin, is invaluable. People who make you laugh until your stomach hurts, who bring joy and light into your life are irreplaceable. People who have your back no matter what, that's priceless. These are the relationships that give life meaning and depth. Life is a team sport, and it's meant to be shared with those who uplift and support you. You don't want to be on the sidelines watching everyone else celebrate. Invest in your relationships, nurture them, and be present. Make time for the people who matter most. Prioritize those who bring positivity and love into your life. Because at the end of the day, it's those connections that truly make life worth living. Cherish them, and let them know how much they mean to you. Real relationships are the true treasures of life. Chapter 4. Money Talks. Learn the language before it's too late. Okay, let's get real for a second. Money matters. It's the lifeblood of our daily lives, influencing almost every decision we make. I know it's not everything, but it definitely makes life a whole lot easier. It allows us to enjoy the finer things in life, like vacations, dining out, and shopping. The problem is, most people don't learn about money until it's too late. They get into debt, they make bad investments, and they find themselves in financial turmoil. They end up stressed and worried about money all the time. This stress can affect relationships, mental health, and overall well-being. Don't let that be you. Learn about budgeting, saving, and investing. These skills are essential for financial stability and growth. There are tons of resources out there. From books and online tutorials to workshops and financial advisors, the information is at your fingertips. Take control of your finances. Start by setting financial goals, creating a budget, and tracking your spending. And you'll be amazed at how much freedom and peace of mind it brings. Financial literacy is the key to a stress-free and prosperous life. Chapter 5. Mindset, the ultimate life hack. Last but not least, let's talk about mindset. This one is huge. Your mindset is like the software that runs your life. If you've got a negative, limiting mindset, you're going to see obstacles everywhere you look. But if you've got a positive, growth-oriented mindset, you're going to see opportunities. You're going to be unstoppable. So choose to believe in yourself. Choose to see the good. Choose to focus on solutions instead of problems. Your mind is incredibly powerful, and you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Outro, don't wait, start now. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content like this. Remember, it's never too late to start making positive changes in your life. Start small, take it one step at a time, and never give up on yourself. You got this.